So I have to say in Vietnam there's a lot of famous tile like Hội An Tile or some old tile in Hanoi as well. But I've traveled across seven provinces in Vietnam, and I have to say the tile that impressed me most is the Dong Văn Tile, which is located in Hà Giang. Hà Giang is also one of the province that is Hà Giang is also the northeast province in Vietnam, so that's why Dong Văn Thao is located in the highest altitude of Vietnam. Um, if you have been Vietnam long enough, you should know that Hà Giang is one of the prettiest destinations in Vietnam with a lot of high mountain with great nature scenery that you couldn't find anywhere else within Vietnam. And when you travel across Hà Giang, you have to drive a lot, around 300 kilometers in total, and Dong Văn Thao will be the place for you to rest in the middle of journey. People from here are mainly from minority groups, and they are living closely together as a group. And like I share, the main purpose for me to go to visit this place was for traveling. I try to understand about their local culture, the local culture of the minority group, and also to taste some food. Honestly, I'm not really enjoy the food there. It's so different from what we eat in normal here. And of course, the village has a lot of ancient stone house, which is really impressive, and I took some photo of it. I enjoy a lot when I lived in this town because the weather is really cold here, and also the house designer was so impressive with a lot of ancient stones. And this town is lying in the middle of the marvelous mountains, so that's why and every morning when I woke up I can have a fresh air coming from the mountains, and also from feeling very happy and enjoyable, surrounded by people from the minority groups there. Two, describe competition that you have entered. So I've joined, honestly, I didn't enjoy so many competition. If that's a competition, it should be a knowledge competition. And one of the competition that I joined and I've always felt so proud of is Rings the Bell. It was a story so long ago when I was in a secondary school. And that competition, I have to compete with other peers in our district. um, there there were three rounds in total. That first one is the school round where I have to compete with people studying within my school, and then will second round will something like money school round that will gather around 4 to 5 school living staying near together. And last but not least, after you choose the best candidates from the money school, we will have the round of district round that is competing across different all of the students within the district. And each round will have a maximum of 100 people to join and has a 30 questions. The rule is that you need to answer all of them correctly to ring the bell. If you answer the questions wrongly, you have to go out of the competition. And like I shared with you, I'm very proud of it, right? Actually, I won the final round and rang the bell. It was not an easy competition at all because when if I remember correctly, when we was at the questions, 23rd, all of the candidates except for me uh, leave the ground, so that's why only me have to answer all of the questions from 23rd to 30, and like very lucky and very happy and burst into tears when I got the right answer for the last questions and could ring the bell.